Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Claude AI to Blender. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over to your Claude AI and then you're going to click on this section here at the top left corner. You're going to click on Customize and you'll be redirected to an interface that would look something like this. So you're going to click on Connectors over here and then click on this plus icon. Here, you're going to click on Browse Connectors. And then you're going to click on the search bar at the top and simply search for Blender in the list. Here, you're going to click on Blender and you'll be able to see a button that says install right next to it. Then simply click on install. And after that, you're going to click on install once again and simply wait for it to get installed. Once done, you're going to click on this instructions over here and you'll be taken over to this page in front of you. So this is basically MCP server Blender block. Here, you're going to simply drag and drop it into the Blender, or if you want to do so, you can simply do it manually. For this tutorial, I'll follow the manual method. You're going to simply click on download and you'll be able to see a zip folder getting downloaded. Next, you're going to head over to your Blender, click on edit at the top left corner. And over here, you're going to click on preferences. Here, you're going to click on add-ons and simply click on this icon over here and click on install from disk. Select the add-on that you just installed. So I just downloaded this MCP zip file. So you're going to click on this and then click on install from disk. Just wait for it to get installed. And once done, you have successfully connected your Claude AI to your Blender account. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.